Good morning, everyone. You're listening to WHAM Wairarapa. Sorry to just cut that song short. That lady had a beautiful voice. With our new system here and our new media hub, we can't fade the computer down. It's a completely different system than what we had at the old place on Queen Street. So we just cut songs and we can't fade them in and out, which is a little bit unfortunate when it's when we're switching from the computer system to live shows. Very sorry about that. Now, thank you for tuning in with me. I'm Hayley Gastmeyer and I present the WHAM Wairarapa show every Friday morning. It's what's happening around my Wairarapa. Excuse me. I've had a little bit of a rocky morning, to be honest. My computer's packed up. Normally that's how I read the events. So I I don't know what's happened with that. A little bit disappointing because I sort of need my computer. Can't really afford to buy a new one. But, these iPhones these days are awesome, so I'm just going to try and wing it from the iPhone. Thank you, Trust House, for sponsoring the show. It starts at about 8 o'clock on a Friday morning. I was pretty prepared this morning. I was here on time until, I had some technical difficulties. Now it's 7 minutes past 8, so I guess it's in keeping with my history, not always on time. If it's a film shoot or something, I'm pretty good at turning up 5 minutes early. If it's my job, I'm really good at cutting it fine and walking in the door right on 9 o'clock or, 15 minutes past. And when it comes to my volunteer sort of avenues, I probably should put in a little bit more effort. I guess that can be one of my New Year's resolutions. It's actually the last show. It's the 21st of December today, so that makes it the last show before Christmas. A little bit exciting. I don't know if there's anyone out there like me who's rostered on to work on Christmas Day. I'm hoping that it's going to be, I'm just hoping that I can go around and capture other people's fun. But I'm not missing out because I'm going to have Christmas at my house in Martinborough this weekend. I've got my family coming over and our best family friends. They're coming around and we're going to have a really fun couple of days just pretending it is Christmas. I'm having a bit of an early one and I don't know if you guys can Facebook me if you like and let me know what your plans are. Are you doing anything quirky? Are you doing anything unusual? And maybe you don't do Christmas the traditional way. How do you celebrate? You can Facebook message me. You can go to WHAM Wairarapa and send me a message. That would be awesome. I guess we'll jump into the events now. So the events are happening in Wairarapa. We'll just start from today. We've got a Christmas party with Just in Time. It's at Club Wairarapa tonight. That's on Essex Street. So Just in Time, what do they say about it? It's free. You can head along for free. Okay, come on down and celebrate Christmas with Just in Time. There's a big range of music with rock and roll, country, R&B, reggae and disco with all those songs people love to sing along to. So that sounds like a fun thing to do this evening. Members, affiliated members and the guests are welcome. So that's Just in Time at Club Wairarapa this evening. Now there's the virtual reality beat saber competition. So this is at the VR Lounge. This is actually, it's at 4 Perry Street, Masterton. It's tomorrow. It looks like it's today from 10 until 8. Tomorrow 10 until 8 and then Sunday 10 until 5. It says restrictions are 6. Maybe you got to be 6 or over. I don't know. Can you beat it? Beat Saber competition. Show us your Beat Saber moves. Masterton's newest attraction using virtual reality. Try to maintain the highest score by the end of the week. Winner will take home a cool smart drone. That's a pretty darn awesome gift. I guess winning prize, isn't it? A drone. Spot prizes for flair and creativity. And then how does it work? Well, you can enter as many times as you like. The first registration is $15, and then each additional attempt is $6. This is going to be heaps of fun. Bring the family and friends for a good time. Song is Beat It by MJ. Good, love you, Michael. I should have brought up my Michael Jackson CD. Yes, here we go. Children must be 6 and over. So $15, and that's times 4 tries. So the VR Lounge, it says it's 4 Perry Street, Masterton. And it's open today and then over the weekend as well. So that sounds like a fun thing to do with the kids. I know a couple of parents who have taken their sons along, and they've absolutely loved it. They thought it was really cool. I think even my buddy Eli from work, he even got to have a turn, and I think it was even a thrill for him. And he's 19. So maybe it's cool for all ages. All right. Now there's the end of year drag bonanza. This is in Cuba Street in Wellington. So I'm not going to tell you about that one. I don't quite know how that's popped up on my little list here. Wairarapa, go back to that. Not as straightforward on your phone, trying to get this done. While I'm trying to look for what I'm looking for, I'll tell you what I did last night. And that's maybe why my voice is a little bit husky, because I was probably yelling and laughing so much. But I went to 7 days. It was at Wairarapa College. I can't believe how big that school hall is. It's absolutely incredible. And then it's got the second floor as well, eh? That's really, really neat. And I'm guessing that the reason it was hosted there was probably... Is Waikol's school auditorium like the biggest venue in Wairarapa or what? I mean, I heard that there was 1,200 people that went along. So, and I know the Carterton Event Centre seats 400. I think I'm right there. Yeah, so it's pretty crazy that it's a school hall that has the best sort of, I guess, entertainment facility, bigness-wise. Not a word, don't think. Yeah. Anyway, 7 days was bloody hilarious. I was cracking up big time. I have to say, I'm not really... I'd heard some of the names like Jeremy Corbett and Di Hemwood. I didn't really know the show before I went. You might think that's absolutely crazy. I don't have your average television set. I've only got Netflix, and that's the way me and my partner have been rocking it for about 8 years now. We don't have commercial TV. Pretty much don't miss the ads at all. But it also means that I'm not really up to play with all what's hip and whatnot, you know. So anyway, it was really funny. There were so many people there just cracking up. I don't think anyone would have got offended. Did anyone out there get offended? They were pretty tame. There were no punts at the audience. There were no. They didn't make anyone in the audience a joke. But it was really funny, really cool, and yeah, I guess it's a pretty funny show, isn't it? Really. I was a little bit disappointed that there wasn't a camera crew there, because I was sort of under the impression that there would, that it would be recorded, and then that would become one of the episodes, which I understand go to air on Fridays. But no, I don't think there was any crew there. It was darn funny. It was a good night out. Okay, Stonehenge, they have their self-guided tours, so that's just when you can turn up. They're open from Wednesdays to Sundays. They're open from 10. You can just turn up, pay your fee, and then go and take your own tour. But then they also do the tour, the public guided tours. So that's from 11 on weekend days. It's a little bit more money, but they take you around and give you a proper tour with all of the, they know what they're talking about. They tell you all the history and that sort of thing. So that's an option if you've got friends visiting over the weekend. They're coming to stay for Christmas. They've also got a special event going on tomorrow from 7 till 9:30. A solstice gathering with music in the henge. Yep, 7 till 9:30 tomorrow. All ages, it's free it says, but I'm thinking you still might need to pay a cover charge. Not sure, let's read through and find out. The summer solstice, our early summer festival, is fast approaching, and it will be celebrated on Saturday the 27th of December at Stonehenge. The festival will consist of a talk by Richard Hall, starting at 7, followed by a walk to the henge to view the sunset, when music will be played in the wonderful environment of the Stone Circle. Local and visiting musicians will perform a program of folk, Irish, blues and jazz tunes, mostly acoustic, and there will be plenty of room for dancing. And then there will be a shared meal with the kitchen in the hall available to heat and serve food that you bring and add to the potluck dinner. There is there is the possibility of camping overnight if you wish. It's a special place, and you are assured of a memorable experience if you make the effort to venture there this Saturday. So I don't really believe that it's a free event, but I don't know. This has been listed, this event, by our friend Dr. Rob Munsell. Never very good with the second name. Anyway, you can get in touch with him if you want to know more, or I would suggest getting in touch with Stonehenge. You can find their number online. Okay, what else have we got going on? There is, yummy, tomorrow. Oh, yum. Mayo & Co. They are master dumpling and noodle makers from Wellington. And they'll be at Tikaranga Vineyard tomorrow from 11 until 4. So yum. Okay, so you can basically get a bowl of dumplings, or you can get a bowl of noodles, or you can get the combo. And the combo is where you can get like 3 flavours, I think. You get your noodles with a few fresh veggies mixed through and some amazing flavouring sauce, and then you get your dumplings on top, and it is just to die for. It is so darn good. Getting pretty excited. Okay, so tomorrow, Tikaranga, 11 till 4, that's when you can go and get some Mayo & Co. delicious food, along with a glass of wine, of course. Carols at Cobblestones. I think it's taken me to the wrong site. Yes, it has. Here we go. This is happening tomorrow from 5 until 8. You know where Cobblestones Museum is, don't you? It's in Greytown. All ages, it's free community event in celebration of Christmas music and song. Delicious food on sale makes it even easier for you. Bring the family, sit back, relax, and enjoy a variety of music brought to you by the Friends of Cobblestone Museum. So, carols at Cobblestones tomorrow in Greytown from 5 o'clock. And, sorry, it takes a little bit longer on the phone for the loading to happen and for it to take me to the place that I want. Hopefully I'm doing okay today. All right, we'll run through the market. So on a Saturday in Wairarapa every week, there's the Wairarapa Farmers Market. So that is at the Farrier's car park in the undercover section. It runs from 9 until 1. It's rain or shine. And there's basically, I think, there's a big variety of things there. Music, coffee, sometimes beer, sometimes lavender products, sometimes olive oils, sometimes wine, and then of course all the fresh produce as well. So you have to head along to find out what's there. It's on every Saturday in Masterton at the Farriers, undercover outside in the car park. Then also on a Saturday, but down in Featherston, there's a Featherston market, and that runs from about 8 until 2. I know that Scotty's Meats goes down there. I know that my buddy Paula and Aaron, they have their food truck. Is it Wairarapa Kai? Oh, can't think of what their business is called, but you won't miss it. It's the caravan's done up like the Wall from Pink Floyd, because they're actually going on tour with the Pink Floyd Experience next year. And there's fresh produce there, of course, as well, and a few other bits and pieces. So the farmers, the Featherston market in Featherston is behind the baker and the pharmacy car park. All right, and that one runs from 10 until 8. No, from 8 until 2. Oh my gosh, I'm losing it. All right, okay, on a Sunday, we've got the Carterton Farmers Market, which runs from about 9 until 12:30, and that's at Memorial Square. And then there's the car boot sale as well in Masterton on the outside the property brokers in that big car park there on the corner of Chapel and Essex Street. Oh boy. Okay. I'm going to play you a song now because I need to have my Barocca. Very tired today. I'm very tired. I'm very worn out. I haven't had a break for a very long time. But I've got a 3-day weekend. I'm really looking forward to that. After the show today, I'm going to go and shout myself some breakfast. Then I'm going to go to do my shopping for the big Christmas celebration this weekend. And then I'm going to go to Greytown and pick up a few last Christmas gifts for my good old friends and family. So hopefully you guys are all organised for Christmas. Now, what have I got in store for you? I don't know if you'll like this, but it's some Genesis. This is a song called Illegal Alien. Enjoy. And that was some Genesis with Illegal Alien. And I was thinking, it's pretty old school, I think, so I just had a look in here, and it says that was recorded and mixed at the Farm, Surrey, in 1983. So that song was recorded 3 years before I was even born. Cool, so that was Phil Collins before he went out on his own, I guess. Okay, now, what is happening? Because that's what I'm here to tell you, isn't it? And it's 8:27 in the morning. Don't know if you're getting ready for work or if you're in bed, tucked up. Maybe you're driving. Hope you all get to wind down soon, eh? Hopefully today's your last day and you're getting a big break. Maybe you're going away. Don't know, let me know what you're up to. Facebook message me on WHAM Wairarapa. Go and like that Facebook page. That's the way you can get in touch if you want to be a guest on the show. If you want to recommend, a guest that I could interview, or if you're up to anything interesting, or if you know of an event that you want me to promote, that's the way you can get it out on the airwaves, I guess. All right, I'm getting there. Yep, done that one. All right, what's this? This is the Wine Tricks Wine Tour. This is happening on Christmas Eve. What a great way to spend your Christmas Eve. There's also one on the 5th of January, and the 6th of January, and the 13th of January, and the 14th of January. So it looks like it's Christmas Eve and then the following 2 weekends after that. So it's an R18 event, which is not surprising, seeing it's at a vineyard. It's at Stonecutter Vineyard, which is 139 Todds Road, Martinborough. Tickets are $25 plus fees. You can buy a ticket from going on Event Finder, going to this event and clicking the Buy Ticket button. Or you can call 0800 Buy Tix. That's 0800 289 849. Now, it's a fantastic experience for the novice and aficionado alike. Remember, I had trouble with that word last week. Still having trouble with it this week. Stonecutter's Estate Wine Tricks Wine Tour is based in the vineyard itself and includes behind-the-scenes insights on grape growing and winemaking in Martinborough. With plenty of practical information on how to best engage the senses, tour guests sample wines whilst assembling knowledge and appreciation for both Martinborough wines, as well as greater enjoyment of their own preferred wine styles. So basically, I think it's wine tasting. You just talk about wine, you drink wine, pretty much can't go wrong. Now it says, please book in advance, and we've got an alternative way of booking here, and it's an email. Write this down, sales@stonecutter.co.nz, sales@stonecutter.co.nz. That's if you want to inquire or if you want to book. So this is the Wine Tricks Wine Tour at Stonecutter Vineyard in Martinborough, Wairarapa on Monday the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. It's 11:30 is when it starts. It just says it's from 11:30 till 12:15. So we're talking 45 minutes. Okay, I don't know if that's the case, but I mean, they've listed that time multiple times, so who am I to question that? Okay, just seeing what else we've got going on in this awesome town. You know, a little bit nervous about the weekend and Christmas Day. Don't know if the weather's looking that hot. It's looking a little bit not flash, but we'll go there soon. Hey, there's a New Year's Eve party with the Emerald Brothers. This is on the 31st of December, so that's New Year's Eve, obviously. It's next Monday. Not this coming Monday, the next Monday. So I'm a little bit ahead of the game here. New Year's Eve party with the Emerald Brothers at Club Wairarapa. It's $10 for non-members. I don't know how much it is for members. It says, it's free. If you remember. See the new year in at the club. Emerald Brothers playing from 8 p.m. Members, affiliated members and the guests are free, and then $10 door charge for everyone else. Cool. Do you know what? I've got a feeling that this might be, all of the events that have been listed. Now we're into the new year, and I'll come back next week to tell you about that, We'll sort of run out of events to talk about. You know what? I could snap into my email quickly, see if I've forwarded myself any messages. Oh, you know what we could do? We could do the Tararoa events, couldn't we? All right, let's do that. And I've got a feeling that there's also another market that's on. I'm just scrolling down to find the email. Very sorry about this, everyone. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. Look, let's just go to the Tararoa event. So I've got a feeling that there's another green dollar market on. Don't know when and where. Hopefully we'll be able to tell you soon when I can find the email now, which I know I would have emailed myself. But anyhow, these are the January and February events, so they're not very helpful because we want the December events, don't we? Yes, we do. All right. What's on it? Aratoi. We think we already... Here we go. I've done it. I've found it. Wairarapa green dollar market. All right. Now, that's the 15th of December. Here we go. 22nd of December. That's tomorrow. It's going to be at the former Family Store in High Street, Carterton. Stallholders accept New Zealand dollars, green dollars, and WAIS vouchers. And, okay, yep, so there's going to be garage sale-y type items, sausage sizzle, coffee, plants, cards, jewellery, produce, and great gift ideas. And you know who's normally there? So my buddy Alison Locke, she's really cool. I went to see her yesterday. She gave me some gorgeous soap that she made from goat's milk. They milked their goats, and she's made this amazing soap. It's incredible. She says that she's sometimes down at the green dollar markets selling these soaps along with like dishcloths that she crochets herself. So I know that's just an example of it's a good opportunity for people that are really creative and talented to share their products if they don't have a business to sell their products. So anyhow, the green dollar market, I think that might be a good opportunity for you to pick up some last minute gifts. So again, it's tomorrow. It's at the Family Store in High Street, Carterton. And what time is it? It's from 10 until 2. Yeah, cool. Okay, well, now, how about we look at the weather? I do have my newspaper, but I could use technology, which might give us a little bit of more up-to-date sort of weather forecast, eh? So we'll go to Masterton. Today, we've got a high of 22 and a low of 10. Right now, outside, it's feeling like 14 degrees, and it's recommending you wear 2 layers. Now, there's light winds as well, currently. So, morning cloud to fine, then showers spread from the west this evening, and southwest breezes are dying away. Now, what's in store for us tomorrow when I've got my Christmas do? So that's today, tomorrow. A few showers before dawn, and then long, fine spells and light winds, and we've got a high of 21. Not hot enough, but I guess it's slightly better how there's a sunshine for the afternoon. I'll show you the little... Can you see that? No. You can sort of see that, eh? That's just a little look. Okay. Did I tell you what Sunday was going to be? A few showers with a southerly change and a high of 20. So, not that amazing. But do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to open the newspaper because it'll tell us what's happening around the rest of the country at one glance. The situation. A complex trough moves off to the east today, while a front approaches to the south of the South Island tonight. Now, the Wairarapa regional forecast today, morning cloud and a few showers about the coast, clearing and to fine by midday. However, a few showers again from evening as southwest winds change northeast. Tomorrow, showers easing in the morning, then clearing to fine spells in the afternoon and southwesterly winds dying out. And then Sunday, showers developing with a change to southerlies, and then showers clearing and winds dying out. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't take us all the way to Tuesday, Christmas, but it does tell us that Monday, Christmas Eve, is going to be fine with light winds with a high of 24. So that's great. Today in the Tararua Forest Park, we've got cloudy periods and a few showers, but more frequent and heavier at night. And let's have a little look around the whole country. So Auckland, few showers, high of 23. Hamilton, mainly fine, 23. Tararua, mainly fine, 25. Sorry, I said that's Tauranga. Tauranga, mainly fine, 25. Gisborne, partly cloudy, 23. New Plymouth, partly cloudy, 21. Blenheim, few showers, 20. Christchurch, partly cloudy, 17. Timaru, showers, 17. Queenstown, partly cloudy, 18. And Dunedin, thunder, 16. Dunedin sounds like it's going to be the most exciting place to be. Probably not good if you're trying to clean up your yard or whatnot. Yeah. All right, guys, it's been a pleasure. So I was going to say it's been a pleasure this year, but I'll be back next week, and we're still going to be in this year, aren't we? Yes, we will still be in 2018. Yeah. Well, I can't believe the year's over. I think every week, whenever I tell you what the date is, I'm like, wow, the year's moving so fast, but it's absolutely crazy. Yep, it's crazy, all right. Yep, well, you've been listening to WHAM Wairarapa with me, Hayley Gastmeyer, and it's been sponsored by Trust House. It's the event show that tells you what's happening around this awesome region of ours every Friday morning from about 8 o'clock. Normally I have a guest. Sometimes I have a guest. Not today. I was hoping Michael would turn up and he would pop in and have a yarn, but he's not here yet, and I've run out of events. It doesn't look like there's too much going on. I guess things sort of shut down at this time of year, don't they? Everyone goes away. Everyone leaves work, and I just hope everyone has a fantastic holiday and much deserved and well-needed rest. Yeah, and everyone stays safe and has fun with their family and friends. Yep. All right, well, I guess it might be my cue to leave. It's 8:39. Hope you all have a fantastic day. Hope you all have a wonderful Christmas. And I'll pop back next Friday morning to tell you what's happening over the New Year's the New Year's time frame. Yeah. All right, folks. Have a great day. Stay safe out there. Stay warm. It's a little bit chilly for the middle of summer. And I'll catch you again soon. See you later.